She thought I wasn't gonna clap because I had a book in my hand. What's up, guys? All right, can I foam roll every day? Sure, why not? You can foam roll every day. What I'd ask you is, why do you feel like you need to foam roll every day? Does it feel like someone parked a truck on you? Maybe you're getting too much work or you're under recovering. Foam rolling shouldn't be a compensation for that. One issue I could possibly see with foam rolling every day is you're not giving yourself time to recover and you're beating the muscles too much. So I'd be careful with that. If you're using it for warm-up, if it's a light sort of tissue warm-up before or cool down afterwards, no problem. But if you're really trying to get in there and you've got a knot or a nagging pain or something going on, talk to your coach. You might need a change in your programming, or you might need to go see a manual therapist, a licensed massage therapist or something like that. All right, hope that helps. Talk to you later.